Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is Fairy Candles book, class 3rd, semester 1. Lesson number 7, Languages in India. Name the languages spoken in the states highlighted in the map of India. Choose your answers from the clue box. Gujarat, Gujarati. Gujarati, Gujarati. Uttar Pradesh, Hindi, Hindi, Hindi. Maharashtra, Marathi, Marathi, Marathi. Odisha, Odia, Odia, Odia. Karnataka, Kannada, Kannada, Kannada. Tamil Nadu, Tamil, Tamil, Tamil. Write the names of the states in which these languages are spoken. Telugu, Andhra Pradesh, Andhra, Andhra, Pradesh. Pradesh. Marwari, Rajasthan, Rajasthan, Rajasthan. Punjabi, Punjab, Punjab, Punjab. Assamese, Assam, Assam, Assam. Manipuri, Manipur, Manipur, Manipur. Bengali, Bengal, Bengal, Bengal.